Welcome to Payroll Insights tutorial. In this we'll focus on how increment transfer or promotion of an employee is done. Increment transfer promotion module involves advancement of an employee's rank or position in the organization. It may be an employee's reward for good performance, that is positive appraisals. And it also involves advancement in terms of designation, salary and other benefits. From the list of modules displayed, choose the transaction module, select revisions and go to increment transfer promotion. Now increment transfer promotion module will be opened. Select employee from the employee selection tool. Select with effect from date from the date picker and area will be calculated with effect from the selected date. Next you choose the area payment month from the drop down list. Area will be paid in the selected month along with the salary. Make sure that the area payment month must be greater than with effect from date. In job allocation, on the left hand side, you can find the present status of the selected employee, that is current department, current designation and so on. On the right hand side, you can specify the new department, designation, etc. For example, designation of an employee changes from assistant manager to manager. This would mean promotion. To do so, select the desired designation from the selection tool of proposed designation. Another case may be transfer, in which location changes from one to another. In our case, we don't have another location. Such a situation may arise, so we have provided an option to create a new master here itself. To do so, click on new icon just next to the selection tool. Now we enter the necessary details of the new master like location code, location name, location title, address and click on save. Now the new location will be available and we can choose accordingly. Hence transfer, promotion can be done. Next we move on to compensation tab, which is used to specify increment in salary of the employee. Compensation is divided into salary revision, reimbursement revision and perquisites revision. Increment may be in his master pay heads, for example basic, HRA, conveyance, etc. and reimbursement, for example LTA, driver salary, etc. Here also we have a present value and a proposed value for each head. We may change the proposed value. Say we change conveyance from 800 to 1200. The difference amount and the percentage is reflected automatically. And the same process goes for reimbursement revision and perquisites revision as well. The next tab is other details, which has job profile section in which we can store referential data, though it won't make any effect in calculation. And once we are done with this, we click on save and his increment transfer promotion details are saved in the system. Now if you want to view the details of promotion or transfer of any employee, you may type the code over here and click on view history to see the previous record, which would be shown in 3 tabs just the way they were entered. And you may also edit them and delete if not required if the month is still open. Thanks for watching Payroll Insights tutorials.